Welcome back to this video on the GPT, how to work on the Excel conditional formatting with ChatGPT. Now, this is only one example I'll be taking in this video, but let's try to understand, can GPT help us for the conditional formatting based on some value in particular cell? So, if you see on my screen, I have some data set, PO number, vendor name, date, name, item quantity, price, amount, and delivery date. And the number of records which I can see in this particular place is 83 records are there. 82 to be more specific, including this is the column heading which I have to exclude. So 82 records. The question here is, I have the PO date given in the column number C. And in column number K, I have these two columns which are given. So what I want is these two cells. If I select this date, which is 23rd, I want this particular row to be highlighted with some color. If I select some date which is 22nd of 12, I want those records to be highlighted. So there are two cells which are matching the record. Okay, so I want both the rows to be highlighted. How is it possible and how do we do that? Let's try to understand. I'll first open a notepad and try to write my query in this notepad here. Okay, so the question I can put here is, I can just press Ctrl C, copy, and here I can paste Ctrl V. Okay. Let me put it properly so it is in a better format. So I've given the commas separated in a proper format, and you have to make it a little better. Below are the column names in Excel. So below are the column names in Excel from cell A1 to H1. I've written that. Okay. And then I have to write it that the data is there for 82 records. Okay, then the next part I have to tell them that this PO date K1 and K2. Okay, so I can write here as PO date, Control C. So Control V is the name of the column. Perfect. So PO date is in the name of the column and in K1 cell. Okay, and date is in K2 column here. So now the question will come here. I want to know the steps in Excel such that if value in K2 matches with the cell in column 2, with the value in column C, the entire record should be highlighted. So let's copy this, Control C. And here I might use the 3.5 version and I can paste it. Now let's see what is the answer I'm getting here. It is giving some answer. Let's try to see. Yes. So here it tells me to follow the steps. So first thing is select the entire data range, which is A2 to A83. Click on conditional formatting and then click on new rule. So I'll select this data, control right arrow key, control down arrow key. And here I can go to conditional formatting, click on new rule. Here I know few steps, so I might go to use a formula to determine. I don't know the formula, so I'll take help of this ChatGPT. This is the formula. You see K2 equals to C2. So exact formula they have given over there, control V. And in the format option, I might highlight some value with the background color like this. And I can also change the font color. I can choose the white color, click on OK, and then click on OK. Now, finally, when I'm in the Excel, if you see, this is getting highlighted. So if I copy Control V in this particular cell, you see those are getting highlighted. Now, imagine if there are multiple records with the same data set. Let me right click and sort the data in the ascending or descending order, maybe like this, you can see. So here there are how many dates? Let me just Control D. If I copy this date, Control V in this place, the whole record gets highlighted. So this is the magic of ChatGPT with the Excel. That is very simple here. Now you can think of different scenarios where if I want I'm matching the column heading right now. You can talk about matching the row headings and still get the answers. Perfect. I hope you have understood how to work on this ChatGPT and get the Excel conditional formatting in Excel. That's all for this video.